In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see returned work in Google Classroom. Whether you're checking grades or reviewing feedback, knowing exactly where to look saves time and helps you make the most of your teacher's comments. I'll walk you through it slowly, and I'll point out what to expect on each screen so nothing feels confusing. Start by opening Google Classroom and heading to the home page. This is the dashboard that shows all of your classes. Make sure you're signed in with the correct school account so you see the right courses and assignments. If the page looks outdated, a quick refresh can help. From the home page, select your class. In the example, you might see a class labeled Sample, but on your screen, you'll choose the class where the work was assigned. This opens the class workspace, where you'll find the Stream, Classwork, and People tabs at the top. Next, go to the Classwork tab. This is the most reliable place to find assignments because everything is organized by topic. The stream can be busy. Classwork keeps things tidy so you can locate the exact assignment you need without scrolling through announcements. Now locate the specific assignment you want to check. In our example, it's called Reflection Paper. Click the assignment title to open its details. If your teacher has returned it, you'll usually see that status reflected here, along with any score, rubric, or due date information. Assignments can appear under different topics, so look under the correct section your teacher uses. Once you're on the assignment, select View Instructions. This takes you to the full assignment page where returned work becomes clear. On the right side, you'll see your status, such as returned and, if graded, the score. Below that, look for private comments from your teacher and any rubric rows that show where points were earned. You can also open your attached file to see in-document comments or suggestions. If the file is a Google Doc, Slides, or similar, look for comment bubbles along the right margin. Those usually point to specific edits or strengths. If something seems missing, expand any collapsed sections, check for a rubric tab, and open the file preview to reveal in-file feedback. You can use this page to understand exactly what was returned, what changed, and what to improve next time. If your teacher allows updates, you may see options to make changes and turn it in again. That's it. Open Classroom, choose your class, go to Classwork, pick the assignment, and view the instructions to see your returned work and feedback clearly. Thanks for watching, and happy studying.